Elasticity of demand. Determine the range of price in which demand is relatively elastic and the range of price in which demand is relatively inelastic. Look at this problem. How to find the values of P for which demand is elastic and the values for which demand is inelastic with the price demand function as x equal to 455 minus 35p. In this problem, the demand function is given as x equal to 455 minus 35p. At the very outset, you must understand it is a linear demand function. The demand curve is linear. We know exactly at the midpoint of the demand curve, the elasticity is unitary. In the lower segment, demand is relatively inelastic. In the upper segment, demand is relatively elastic. The solution lies in finding out the midpoint. The demand curve cuts the y-axis at point A. It cuts x-axis at point B. To find the midpoint, we have to find the x and y coordinates of the demand curve at point A and B. At point A, quantity is 0. In other words, x is 0. Then put x equal to 0 in the demand function. Let us rewrite the equation so that it is easy for us to solve it for P. 455 minus 35p equal to 0. P equal to minus 455 over minus 35 equal to 13. The coordinates are 0, 13 at point A. At point B, price is 0. Put P equal to 0 in the demand function. X equal to 455 minus 35p. X equal to 455. 455, 0 are the coordinates of the point B. The midpoint of the demand curve is given by the formula x1 plus x2 over 2, p1 plus p2 over 2, 0 plus 455 over 2, 13 plus 0 over 2. 227.5, 6.5 are the coordinates of the midpoint. Its economic interpretation is that when the price is $6.5, the elasticity is unitary. Then, when the price is in the range greater than $6.5 but less than $13, demand is relatively elastic. This is because this price range corresponds to the upper segment of the demand curve. When the price is in the range greater than 0 but less than $6.5, the demand is relatively inelastic. This price range corresponds to the lower segment of the demand curve. Thus, in the price range, price greater than $0 and price less than $6.5, the demand is relatively inelastic. And in the price range, price greater than $6.5 and price less than $13, the demand is relatively elastic.